Hey, what's going on, everybody? The reason why I have this Bitcoin chart up today is because I'm going to go over why Bitcoin went up so much recently. Now, as you can see, we have a parabolic move from around here, boom, way up to $1,100, $1,200. I think it's trading around $1,100 today. And a lot of the silver stacker or silver type community people on YouTube are bashing Bitcoin. Raw Dog, Chris Dwayne, Fabian for Liberty, all those guys, um, kind of upset about Bitcoin a little bit, but because Bitcoin is really just a digital currency and it has no real tangible value. But they were complaining, and I was watching a bunch of their videos. On this video, uh, Elijah Johnson's channel had Andy Hoffman and Chris Dwayne on to talk about Bitcoin in general. And the title of it is CIA Bitcoin Conspiracy, silver to break the economy. Okay, let's go over to Fabian for Liberty. Bitcoin, the biggest scam in history. Okay, all negative stuff. Even Raw Dog, Bitcoin is for mindless, moronic, broke slavetards. So, you can see that there's a lot of negative backlash towards Bitcoin, but what what is really causing Bitcoin prices to go up so much in the last several weeks? Now, here's the reason why I think Bitcoin went up parabolic. The ECB said they're going to consider negative interest rates, and I think that spooked a lot of the people in Europe and all the banks over there that might charge a negative interest rate on your savings. So if you have money in those saving accounts, chances are, let's say you had 10,000 euros, uh, maybe, if they taxed 5%, 5% of that 10,000 is not going to be your money. So where the people going to put their money after if that's going to be the case, right? Um, let's take a look at the chart. All right, so that article that I showed you before was around November 20th, and perhaps the rumors were already going around about the ECB really implementing this negative interest rate. That was around November 20, which is right here. Maybe a little earlier, the information started to leak out. Here's November 16th. And look where Bitcoin just started to spike up right around here. When when your money in your bank is not safe, where they're going to take money out from your savings account, it's that wouldn't really be a savings account anymore. It would be a losing account. So what are people going to do? Of course, they're going to take their money out and park it somewhere else. So I think that's the main reason why it drove Bitcoin from around what 500. I remember it went from like 4 to 600 in one day and just kept going and going and going. And I, I I didn't pay attention to Bitcoin for like a few days, and all of a sudden, people talking about Bitcoin going up to the same price as gold.